Beginning a welding career.
Beginning in welding who have no training often start in manual welding production jobs that require minimum skill. Occasionally, they first work as helpers and are later moved into welding jobs. General helpers, if they show promise, may be given a chance to become welders by serving as helpers to experienced welders. A formal apprenticeship is usually not required for general welders. A number of large companies have welding apprenticeship programs. The military has program in welding at several of its installation. Skill and technical knowledge requirements are higher in some industries. In the fields of atomic energy, aerospace, and pressure vessel construction, high standards for welders must be met to ensure that weldment will withstand the critical forces that they will be subjected to in use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel, ARASHA, and press bell icon.